like if we consider a defender, so a defender, big, strong, confident, like I'm gonna get knocked down, but I'm gonna stand up and brush off the dust and just gonna keep going again. Like I'm fine. I'm a little bit bruised, but I'm fine. Like it's not trauma for me. What that animal friend as a defender enforcer is bringing forward to us is how we can soften our nature or how we can have this confidence, but how then we can understand that that is then the role within a family system, within a social group animal. That's what they're going to do, regardless of whether they're like a teeny tiny chihuahua or a ginormous Great Dane. If we've got a defender and they're like, I protect and defend. If I think something is a threat, a warning to my family, then no matter what you say, that's my priority over and above anything else that I'm going to do for the nature of that animal as an individual, as a biological animal that we have named dog, canine, whatever name we want to give it.